In agricultural, lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compounds each play important roles in boosting productivity, supporting plant and animal health, and promoting sustainability. Lipids are essential for both plants and animals. In plants, they help form cell membrane and store energy, supporting growth and resilience. In soil, they break down to enhance organic matter and improve soil structure. For animals, lipids provide concentrated energy in feed, promoting growth and reproduction. Additionally, oils from crops like soybeans can be converted into biodiesel, offering a renewable energy source. Natural products are eco-friendly alternatives to synthetic chemicals. Plant-based substances like neem oil and pyrethrin are used as natural pesticides, reducing harm to beneficial insects. Organic fertilizers like compost and manure enrich the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. Some natural compounds like garlic oil also help control plant diseases, making them safer and more sustainable option for farmers. Synthetic organic compounds have significantly improved modern agriculture. Chemicals like glyphosate are widely used to control weeds, ensuring crops grow without competition. These compounds increase farming efficiency, yield, and help protect crops from pests and diseases.